Hello kids, in this session we are going to read story The 12 Months from your text. I have called you little kids because the story is for small children. The 12 Months. It is a fairy tale, a folk tale. Fairy tale is a type of folk tale. Now first understand what is a folk tale. Folk, folk. The word folk means people. The story belongs to folk tale genre, that is type. And a folk tale is a story which is passed from generation to generation by a word of a mouth. Most probably it is not written down. It is not part of written literature. It is passed from mouth to mouth, from generation to generation, and its tradition is oral tradition, and its origins are not known actually, because they go back far back in the culture, in the memory of people. In all cultures you find folk tales, and a fairy tale is a type of a folk tale. In a fairy tale, fairies, supernatural beings like demons, giants, magicians, wizards, these are the characters. And most often location of fairy tales is magic land. Improbable, impossible things due to the influence effect of magic take place in fairy tales. And fairy tales always end happily. Heroes or heroines of fairy tales, they always live after the conclusion of the story happily. Bad people are punished and good people are rewarded. The bedtime stories you may have listened to in your childhood, told by you by your parents or your grandparents, they belong to this type of fairy tales. They are fairy tales. Fairy tales, examples of fairy tales in Western culture are Cinderella, the Sleeping Beauty. In Indian culture, you may have listened to the story The Gold Giving Serpent and the Brahmin. That is also a famous fairy tale and folk tale as well. These fairy tales are meant for children, and the present tale, The 12 Months, which is in your text, page number 8, is a fairy tale. Let us read it to understand. Now beginning. See the beginning, once upon a time. So the happening of this story is far away, in far back past, once upon a time, in a far away country. Now this country is also, its location is also far away. It is not near about us. It is all imaginary. There lived a mother who had two daughters. A mother and two daughters. One was her own child. The other was her stepdaughter. Now what is a stepdaughter? A stepchild. A stepchild is a child by relation, marriage relation. It is not one's own child. If a husband marries twice, if he has two wives, the children belonging to one wife are her own children, and the children belonging to other wife also are her own children, but the relationship between these brothers and sisters is step brotherly or step sisterly. Now she has two daughters. The only reason was that Maraukla, the stepdaughter, was prettier than her own daughter Holena. Now names of these two daughters are sorry, Maraukla and Holena. Holena was her own daughter, whereas Maraukla belonged to another woman, another wife of the same husband. And she hated her stepdaughter, that is, she hated Maraukla because she was more beautiful than her own daughter Holena. Okay, kids, we shall continue the story in the next part of the video. Thanks.